Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to use ChatGPT in Figma or ChatGPT Figma plugin. So to get started with the guide, and make sure you turn on the notification button and subscribe to the channel because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the guide on how you can easily use ChatGPT in Figma. So the first thing to do, which is your first step, is to open the Figma and go to plugin, then launch the Figma app or the website. Then from there, click the three line icon in the top left, then select plugin. Then from there, browse plugin in community. Then on step 2, you have to search and install a ChatGPT plugin. So in the search bar, type ChatGPT or try Figma or try FigGPT or ChatGPT and write for Figma. Then click the plugin you want, then tap install. Then on the step 3, you have to open the plugin inside your project. So in your Figma file, right click anywhere on the canvas, then go to plugins, then select ChatGPT plugin you installed. Then on the step 4, you have to extract a prompt. So a side panel will be open, then type what you want help with. For example, write a headline for a fashion app, or summarize the frame's purpose, or suggest a UX improvement. You can ask anything from the plugin. Then on the step 5, you have to view and copy the response. ChatGPT will reply in the plugin panel, then read it, then copy and paste the response directly to your design. Then on the step 6, you use it to generate content or design ideas. You can prompt ChatGPT to help with button text, UI content, design, requests, or sample user flow, or a placeholder copy. And as well, you can also use the color spacing suggestions depending on the plugin. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks.